chapter we studied coordinate system. In this chapter we studied other example of coordinate system. Here first example is find the angle between the lines 2y plus x is equal to 1 and x plus 3y is equal to 6. So first upon given lines are L1 2y plus x is equal to 1 and L2 is x plus 3y is equal to 6. If M1 and M2 are their slopes, then slope M1 is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Hence M1 is equal to minus coefficient of x is here coefficient of x is 1 and here and coefficient of y is 2. So minus 1 by 2 is M1. Similarly we find M2. M2 is equal to minus coefficient of y, means minus coefficient of x is 1 minus 1 and coefficient of y is 3. So minus 1 upon 3. Then we find out how to find let theta be the acute angle between two lines. Hence tan theta is equal to mod M1 minus M2 upon 1 plus M1 into M2. Here M1 is minus 1 upon 2 and M3 is minus 1 upon 3. Hence we get 1 plus M1 into M2. Then we addition of these minus 1 by 2 minus plus 1 by 3 upon 1 minus plus and 1 upon 3 into 2 6. Hence we get this addition is 3 into 1 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 upon 3 into 2 6 upon 6 into 1 6 plus 1 7. So 7 upon 6. Then this 6 and this 6 will cancel and we get the value minus 3 6 and 6 cancel, minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 7, but mod minus 1 upon 7, mod means minus sign cancel, and we get tan theta is equal to 1 upon 7. Hence we get angle is tan theta is tan inverse of 1 upon 7. Hence the angle between the lines is theta is equal to tan inverse of 1 upon 7. Then we give second example. Find the angle between the lines between the lines 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 and 2x minus 5y plus 7 is equal to 0. First upon given lines are, first is L1, 2x plus 3y is equal to 30, it is first line, and L2 is 2x minus 5y is equal to plus 7. Here we get minus 7, and if M1 and M2 are slopes of line, then M1 is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Hence M1 is equal to minus 2 upon coefficient of y 3, and M2 is equal to minus coefficient of y minus 2 and coefficient of y minus 5. So we get M2 is equal to 2 upon 5. Then we given theta is the acute angle between the lines. Acute angle between the lines hence tan theta is equal to M1 minus M2 upon 1 plus M1 into M2. Then we write first upon M1 is minus 2 upon 3 minus M2 is 2 upon 5. Hence we get 1 plus minus 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 5. Hence we get minus 5 into 2 minus 10 minus 3 into 2 minus 6 upon 3 into 5 15 upon 1 minus 2 into 2 4 3 into 5 15. It gives minus 10 minus 6 minus 16 upon 15. 15 into 1. 50 minus 4 is equal to 11 upon 15. Hence, this and this will get cancelled, and we give tan theta is equal to minus 16 upon 11. Hence, we get tan theta is equal to minus sign get cancelled because there is mod. Hence, we get theta is equal to tan inverse of 16 upon 11. Hence, we give angle between the lines angle between the lines 2x plus 3y is equal to 30 and 2x minus 5y plus 7 is equal to 0 are tan inverse of 16 upon 11. Then we give next point, intercept of line. Intercept of line. Intercept of a line. Here we give this is B, 0B, and this point is A0. Then coordinate of point A is equal to A0 and coordinate of point B is equal to 0B. Then we give example, x-intercept of line 2x plus 3y is equal 3y minus 8 is equal to 0 is obtained by putting x is equal to 0, putting y is equal to 0 in equation. So putting y is equal to 0, hence we get 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Hence we get 2x is equal to 8. Hence x is equal to 8 upon 2 is equal to 4. Hence we get x is equal to x-intercept is equal to 4 units. And for y-intercept find out करण्यासाठी put x is equal to 0 in equation. Then we get x is equal to 0 means this 0. Hence 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Hence we get 3y is equal to 8. Hence y is equal to 8 upon 3. Hence y intercept is equal to 8 upon 3. Then we give various form of straight line. Standard forms of equation of a straight line. Equation of a straight line. Here, first form is general form. Which is general form? X plus by plus c is equal to 0. This equation is called general form where ABC are real number. Then second is slope point formula. Slope point form. Slope point form equation of line having slope m and passes through a point a x1 y1. Then slope point form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Then third is slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Then y is equal to mx plus c. This form is called slope intercept form. Then we give fourth form. Fourth form is to intercept form or double intercept form. How to find out? To intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1, where a is x-intercept, and b is y-intercept. Then fifth form is 2-point form. 2-point form. Equation of line passing through two points a x1 y1 and b x2 y2 is y minus y1 upon y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 upon x1 minus x2. This is 2-point form. Then we give parametric form. Parametric form. Equation of line in parametric form is given by y minus y1 upon sine theta is equal to x minus x1 upon cos theta. Hence, x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta and y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta. This is parametric form. Then we give normal form. Equation of line in normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to rho. Here rho is equal to perpendicular length from origin and alpha is equal to inclination of perpendicular. Then we give equation of coordinate axis. Equation of coordinate axis. First is equation of x-axis. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Then second is equation of y-axis. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Then we give first is the equation of line parallel to y-axis at a distance of a units on right side of y-axis is x is equal to a or x minus a is equal to 0. And second, equation of line parallel to y-axis at a distance of a units on left side is x is equal to minus a or x plus a is equal to 0. Then third is equation of line parallel to x-axis at a distance of b units above of it is above the y is equal to b or y minus b is equal to 0. Then fourth is equation of line parallel to x-axis at a distance of b units below of it is y is equal to minus b or y plus b is equal to 0. Then we give first example. Find the slope of line whose x-intercept is minus 2 and y-intercept is 3. First upon, given that x-intercept a is equal to minus 2 and y-intercept b is equal to 3, then equation of line in 2 intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Hence, equation of given line is x upon a means minus 2 plus y upon b means 3 is equal to 1. Then we get 3 into x, 3x, minus 2 into y, minus 2y is equal to minus 2 into 3, minus 6 is equal to 1. Hence we get 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 6 into 1 minus 6. And slope of line is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. So here coefficient of x is 3, coefficient y is -2, and so we get slope is 3/2, and slope m is equal to 3/2. Then we give second example. Find k if 2, 3 -1 k 5, 8 are collinear. First, upon given points a x1 y1 is equal to 2, 3, b x2 y2 is equal to -1 k, and c x3 y3 is equal to 5, 8. Then since points a, b and c are collinear, if slope of AB is equal to slope of AC, hence we get this slope AB y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and slope of AC means y3 minus y1 and x3 minus x1, hence we get y2 minus y1 means k minus 3 upon -1 minus 2, then y3 minus y1 means 8 minus 3 upon x3 minus x1 means 5 minus 2. Hence we get k minus 3 upon -1 minus 2 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 upon 5 minus 2, 3. Hence we get k minus 3 is equal to 5 upon 3 into -3 here, hence 3 into 3, hence we get -5. Hence we get k is equal to -5 plus 3, hence k is equal to -2. Hence we get the value k is equal to -2. Then we give third example. Show that the points 1, 1, -2, -11 and 0, -3 are collinear. Though first upon given points are a x1 y1 is equal to 1 1. A b x2 y2 is equal to -2 -11, and c x3 y3 is equal to 0 -3, and points are collinear if slope of AB is equal to slope of AC. The points are collinear if slope of AB is equal to slope of AC. Then slope of AB is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and slope of AC, first upon find out slope of AB, slope of AC, and first upon find out slope of AB. So y2 minus y1 means -1 11 -2 -1 equal to -12 upon -3 चौक 12 so 4, and slope of AC is equal to y3 minus y1 upon x3 minus x1. So we get -3 minus 1 upon 0 minus 1 is equal to -3 minus 1 minus 4 upon -1 is equal to 4, and these will get same, hence these points are collinear. Hence slope of AB is equal to slope of AC. Hence points ABC are collinear. Then next chapter we studied other example of coordinate system.